How to wash hand wraps. Hand wraps serve two very important purposes for all boxers and MMA fighters. First, they provide a barrier between your sweaty hands and your gloves. The more sweat you can prevent from entering your boxing gloves, the easier your boxing gloves will be to maintain and the less they will smell. Second, they provide some structural support for your wrist and small bones in your hands. Hand wraps get very sweaty and very smelly. So washing your hand wraps is an important step in cleaning your boxing gloves. To do this, simply throw the wraps in a laundry bag, wash them in your washing machine, and let them air dry. It is best to wash them after each use, and be sure to follow the instructions for your particular hand wraps. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to laundering the wraps and drying your wraps. Now let's talk about the process. Things you'll need. 1. Hand wraps. 2. Laundry bag. 3. Washing machine. 4. Laundry detergent. 5. Hanger. Method 1. Laundering the wraps. Number 1. Seal the Velcro to itself before you wash your wraps. To prevent wear and tear on your wraps, close up the Velcro on the end of each wrap. The Velcro pieces easily stick to each other, and this keeps it protected in the wash. If you leave the Velcro open, the seal may weaken, and they may not stay in place. Number 2. Place your hand wraps inside of a mesh laundry bag. Use a nylon lingerie bag to launder your wraps. After you put your wraps in the bag, zip up the bag so they don't come out in the wash. The bag prevents them from getting tangled and tied around your other clothing. Number 3. Launder your wraps with your other clothes if they are a neutral color. Do this if your wraps are a neutral color like white, tan, or gray. You can easily toss your laundry bag in with the rest of your clothing. This way, the dye of your gloves does not wash off onto your clothes. Number 4. Wash your wraps by themselves if they are brightly colored. If you have highly saturated wraps like red or royal blue, it is best to wash them alone. Put your laundry bag in the washing machine by itself, and adjust the settings for a small load. The pigment of the wraps can wash off and stain your white or light-colored clothing. Number 5. Pour your detergent into its appropriate slot. Use all-purpose laundry detergent to wash your wraps, and pour it into the detergent slot of your machine. If you are washing them with other clothing, use a full cup of detergent. If you are washing the wraps by themselves, use 1/3 or 1/2 of the cup. Number 6. Wash the wraps on a delicate cycle with cold water. To avoid damaging your hand wraps, wash your clothing on a gentle cycle and use cool water. This way, your wraps will remain in great shape. To start the wash, press the Start button. Avoid using a hot water setting, as hot water can stretch out your hand wraps. Number 7. Take the wraps out of the laundry bag when the cycle is complete. Come back for your laundry after about an hour, and remove the laundry bag from the washer. If you are washing other clothing, put them in the dryer and press the Start button. A typical rinse cycle lasts for about 45 to 60 minutes. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Drying your wraps. Number 1. Avoid putting your wraps in your dryer. If you dry the wraps, they will get twisted and then be unsuitable for use. The warm temperature of the dryer easily damages your wraps. Number 2. Drape each wrap across the bottom of a hanger. Put one end of the wrap through the inside of the hanger, and lay it across the middle. Adjust the wrap so it is centered on the hanger. Then, either place the other wrap next to the first one or use another hanger. Both options work great for drying your wraps. Lying your wraps flat ensures they completely dry. If they are folded or creased, the wraps may dry unevenly. Number 3. Let your wraps air dry for 1 to 3 hours. After your wraps are draped across a hanger, place them in a dry place so they can air dry. Your wraps should be dry within a few hours, and then you can head to the gym. You can hang them in your bedroom, bathroom, or front porch, for example. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Buy multiple pairs of wraps if you work out many times throughout the week. This way, you won't have to do laundry every night. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.